Welcome, it's Anson Doodle, and today we're going to be going on the Howlin Tornado Great Wolf Lodge, Wisconsin Dells. This is a really big water slide, and keep in mind there is a lot of steps that you will have to take and carry up a giant tube.
As Son pointed out, there is a lot of steps. This slide is multiple stories high, and there is no elevator for the tube, so you have to carry up your 4-person tube by yourself. So keep that in mind when riding this, especially if you're going to do it multiple times. And you're going to want to stick around to the end, because after doing this as many times as I did, I finally had to tap out.
So we finally made it to the top, and I think that all the steps that we had to take and carrying the tube was all worth it.
Also keep in mind they will weigh you at the top, so look at the regulations. So we got a green, we're good to go. Son and I combined, we're just meeting the minimum, so it might be better to take 3 people. On this first run, we got to go down with Mama, but this was the only time she wanted to go down this run. This is by far and away the most intense water slide available at Great Wolf in the Wisconsin Dells, or probably that most people have ridden anywhere. It's super fun, but it is pretty intense. Let us know in the comments if you've been to any Great Wolf, or if you've ridden a ride like this at any other water park. On this next trip down, it was just Son and I, like I pointed out. Mama went one time and one time only, so this will show you the difference when you're riding with 2 people versus riding with 3. Another negative, if you're lighter, is right here. It's hard to get down the tube, and you gotta do some work.
Wiggle. 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 We're really stuck on this one.
As fun as this was, you're about to hear a dad tap out because it was just exhausting going up and down.
Come on. Come on. I can't carry this damn raft one more time.
The good news about taking a break is it allows you to step right over into Fort McKenzie, which is hands down the wettest water park we've ever been to. So be sure to subscribe and hit this video right here to check it out.